Join me today as we set off on an unforgettable group adventure through Kornati National Park, a stunning Croatian archipelago with islands scattered like pearls across the Adriatic Sea. The weather is perfect, great company, and a crystal clear Adriatic Sea. As our boat glides through narrow channels and past dramatic limestone cliffs, the scenery becomes otherworldly, raw, wild, and beautiful. The park, made up of over 80 islands and islets, feels untouched, a surreal lunar seascape with golden cliffs, dry stone walls, and the endless shimmer of blue all around. After a relaxing cruise, we arrive at Kornat Island, the largest in the park. It's time to lace up our shoes and start hiking toward Metlina Peak, the island's highest point and 237 meters. The trail winds through dry, rocky terrain surrounded by wild herbs and Mediterranean brush. As we gain height, the views begin to open. And then, just wow. At 237 meters above sea level, the summit gives us a full panoramic view of the Kornati archipelago. It's peaceful, powerful, and absolutely breathtaking. The descent brings the group back to the boat, now gently rocking in a secluded bay. If you ever get the chance to visit Kornati, don't miss this combo, a boat trip and a hike you'll never forget. See you in the next one.